Hey guys, Jerry from Showtime Audio. Just wanted to show you this remote start and drone system we just added to this 2023 Porsche Cayenne S. So this is a car that a lot of shops don't do because they say it's not covered. Well, we're gonna show you. So you hit lock on the remote 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Give it a second. The car will confirm. And then, ta-da! There you go, car's running. All right, so now the other nice thing is we added drone with the phone application, right? So the cool thing about that is it allows you from basically anywhere in the world, as long as you have cellular or Wi-Fi connection and your car has cellular or Wi-Fi, you can lock the vehicle, unlock the vehicle, open and close the hatch, and also track the vehicle. So if the vehicle ever does get stolen or somebody's driving it and you need to know where they are, right on the application, you can track them and see exactly where they are. One of the questions we get asked about a lot about is the tracker. Is it easy to find? So no, typically it is buried up inside of the dash and wire tied to a harness very high in the dashboard. In this particular vehicle, it's in a different spot, but it's also very well hidden. It'd be really tough to find. The other nice thing about the one that we use, so there's the drone X1 and there's an X1 Max. The X1 Max is the better option. It's the upgrade, but that has a backup battery built into the device. So the nice thing is, let's say they steal the vehicle and they're smart, so they unhook the battery in order to kill all the telematics, all the tracking function of the vehicle itself. Well, the Drone Max has a battery which will still transmit for 4 hours. So for 4 hours, you will still be able to track the car regardless of if the car has any power. So even if they unhook the battery and are towing it, the GPS, the drone, will still let you know the car's location. Yeah, so let's say you don't want to do the drone anymore. You either don't want to use it, you don't want to use any phone apps. You can always do it via the fob. So with the fob, you can hit lock 3 times, 1, 2, 3, like we showed earlier. The only limitation is obviously it's whatever the distance of your factory fob is. The real simple way to test this is walk away, lock, walk away, further, lock, walk away, further, lock, walk away. And when you get far enough, that's technically the amount of distance that your factory fob will work. Now that will change depending on your area, but at least it gives you a rough idea. Typical standard factory fobs are couple hundred feet typically. It depends on the fob. Some are better, some are worse. Another cool feature about the drone is that it can be shared with multiple people. So there's a feature on the phone where you can add a driver. So you hit the button and it sends them, put in their email, and it sends them a link. They fill out the link, download the app, create an account with their own username and password, and it allows them to lock, unlock, start the vehicle, track it, anything. The cool thing about the application is if you ever don't want them to use the vehicle any longer or deny them access, you can go into the app and just deny the access. So in essence, vote them off the island and they can't use the application anymore. So you don't have to give them your username and password. If you want to, you can, and you can do it off of basically any device. So you can do it from a PC, a tablet, or a phone. So there's multiple ways to start the vehicle, lock it, unlock it, track it, everything. So if you're interested in this or any of our other services, please give us a text at 773-489-7469. Thanks a lot for watching.